Friends, today's video is about a mother who is worried about increasingly unhealthy habits her 8 years old son is picking up fast these days. She has a full time job, but this has never come in the way of her cooking all the meals at home for the family. She is a good cook, but the son is nowadays not very enthusiastic about home cooked food. He loves to eat deeply fried and too spicy fast food from outside. And his demand to have it every second or third day is frequently heard by her nowadays. She is worried about his health. He is now overweight and gets tired quickly with little physical activity. He is also anemic. Various factors are contributing to his health going down. In addition to eating chow mein, samosas, burgers, and pizzas, he has stopped playing outdoor games. Instead, he is becoming a budding champion of mobile and TV games. If not stopped forcibly, he can play them the whole day without getting tired. His sleeping hours have changed. He goes to bed late and getting up in the morning is a difficult thing for him. He sleeps during the daytime and this upsets his studying and homework doing routine. Lack of sleep is making him irritable and lethargic. Day by day, he is becoming bossy, rude, and temperamental. Lack of exercise, bad postures, and his increasing absence from sports ground is causing frequent aches and pains in his back and other joints. Abdominal pain and acidity are more frequently occurring. The mother has tried many tactics, but they have failed to change his unhealthy habits. Scolding, rewards, being strict, making a timetable, encouragement, warnings, nothing has worked. He shows changes in his behavior and habits for a few days, but somehow old habits return sooner than later. If you are worrying about anything, then corrective action must start today. This approach to solve her problem appealed to her a lot. The introductory video of this channel was responsible for bringing this approach to her attention. That day she addressed her son as "my little teacher" in very affectionate tone, and this surprised the boy. "Why are you calling me your teacher?" he asked curiously. "Because you are going to teach me about all that which confuses me, and you will be rewarded full 2000 rupees every month for being my teacher," she informed him in a serious tone. "And that money you can use to buy new shoes, new dress, even new video game too." Her offer made the son very happy, and he consented to be her teacher quite enthusiastically. From that day onwards, the mother and the son would sit in chair facing each other every evening. The mother will act out the role of pupil and son that of the teacher. "My little teacher, please teach me one exercise that will help in reducing my weight. I don't want to look fat anymore." This is what she wanted to learn from her son the very first day. The son told her one jumping exercise. She started doing that on the spot, taking the help of the son to do it correctly. The son and the mother spent next 15 minutes jumping and laughing together. As an incentive to continue to be her teacher, the mother deposited 500 rupees advance in his kiddie bank, and this made the son very happy. The mother wanted to learn many things from her little teacher. She was always respectful and serious when they sat in front of each other at the beginning of teacher-student session every evening. She wanted to learn about yoga postures, about working of her mobile, about good sources of protein and diet, about hygiene principles, about mobile game heroes, about how to improve her memory, about personality development, about sound sleep, and many more topics that were related to her daily life and healthy living. The son was enjoying the role of playing the teacher immensely. His list of things to buy from his incentive of 2000 rupees was becoming bigger each day. The bond of affection and love also grew stronger between them. The little teacher was very satisfied with the performance of the pupil. The mother was very pleased to see the way the son was shouldering the responsibility of proving himself as a good teacher. Now, a question for all of you, friends. While encouraging his mother, the pupil, to change for better, will son, the little teacher, also start replacing his bad habits with good healthy habits? Please share your views in comment section. Share this video with your near and dear ones so that they can also benefit from it. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not already done so. Now here is the quote of the day. Desire to find happiness in future actually becomes one more cause that will fuel your unhappiness. Watching the video to the end, I am thanking you all for it.